Om Namo Narayanaya. That means Narayana iti Narayana. Nara means water. The one who is in the energy in the water is Narayana. So whenever you are drinking, just feel. You don't need to say Om Namo Narayana and drink Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is harmful, only water. Okay. Om Namo Narayana. That feeling you need to have. Eating, pray and eat. Ya Devi Sarabhuteshu Nidra Rupena Samstha Namastasai 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 Namo Namo. How many people analyze the day, whether I have done anything wrong, whether I hurt anybody, I should not do it tomorrow if I get up. If have I helped anybody? And say a prayer and go to bed. How many people do that? Raise your hand. Do that. Now, this is New Year. Start. From today, before going to bed, analyze your day. Don't find fault with the world. You are at fault if something else. And don't analyze the world. I have come here to do my duty. Even if other person doesn't do the duty, it's their headache. I should not be influenced by their bad karmas. I need to protect my own self. And the Manu Dharma Shastra says, listen to me carefully. One Raja, it's a story, but I'll always get the essence from the story. He has been pushed away, trying to be pushed away from the heaven to the hell for some small mistake he has done. And Raja says, no, my time is not up yet. And the people there, the deities, they, how can you say? Manu Dharma Shastra says, as long as your name is remembered by the people, any one person on the earth, for the good deed you have done, so many divine years, Deva Samvatsaras, your soul will rest in peace in heaven. One day, if one person says, wow, Chanel has got this big chowdhury, free resting place, or beautiful icon, beautiful temple he has constructed, or he has constructed an orphanage, he has constructed an old age home. People entering that, look at Chanel's name, wow, with his grace. I'm sorry, Chanel, after your departure, your soul will rest in that heaven for so many years. You're taken for granted. See, this is the one which we are missing. I'm coming and going, not making an impact on the society. So, Yadevi Sarabhudesh Nitra Rupena Samstha, that reminds me my purpose of coming. My purpose of coming is to redefine myself internally and realize myself that I am not this mundane body. I am a splinter, Amsha, that great universal mother who is an ocean of compassion, fire of knowledge, ocean of compassion, fire of knowledge, earth for forgiveness, Kshama Dharitri. Earth is bearing a Naxalite, dacoit, a terrorist, and a great saint. It doesn't complain. Can I not bear my wife and my husband? Question to you. When earth is bearing so many people, can I not bear? If I want to be divine, I need to start from this point. I told you in the beginning, this satsang is a special satsang. It's our life we are discussing. So, while eating, while drinking, while sleeping, Ya Devi Sarabhuteshu Maatre Namaha Namastasai 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 Namo Namaha. Don't put your mother and father in old age home, please. There is no Father's Day, there is no Mother's Day in Hindu culture. Every day is Mother's Day, every day is Father's Day, every day is Valentine's Day. Yearly once, Hindu culture only annual ceremony for the departed souls, Abdikam. Unfortunately, we follow that Abdika principle in Mother's Day and Father's Day. It's okay, wish them, give them flowers on the Mother's Day, but just by sending a greeting, or you're the best dad in the whole universe, and then fight with the dad the next moment. Is it Mother's Day? So all the, respect all the people like you are respecting parents. If you do this, you can expand anything. If you do this, then the whole life becomes a saga. Where is you are missing the God? So when you schedule, and if you are you have to go to work at 6:30, you get up at 4 o'clock. Don't get up at 6 o'clock and hurriedly you finish off the things and go. No, you have to get up at 4 o'clock, because this 2 hours is your time. The rest of the 15 hours you are spending is not for you. Under the name of responsibility, comfort, you're just spending your time. It's okay. As I already mentioned in the yearly prediction, income, expenditure, okay, but to compensate that expenditure, I need to have an income. Income is prayer. The worldly transactions are expenditure. Why I am sad? Because I'm only expending, I'm in debt. Deva Runa, Pitru Runa, Rushi Runa. Runa is not outside, Runa is inside. And there is no mantra to overcome this debt. There may be mantras, Angaraka mantra, there will be there. If you do that, all the external debts may be cleared. But who will clear the internal debt? Prayer. Prayer will balance. And see, when you leave the body, you don't have any debts at all. A debt-free death. A debt-free death. With ensure prayer is ensuring that. So you have to get up at 4 o'clock. And also, before going to bed, you allocate your own time. Instead of watching TV, instead of sending WhatsApp messages, unnecessary. Necessary messages, you say. Instead of browsing the Facebook from top to bottom and seeing all the viral videos, spoiling your brain, can you not spare that half an hour, 1 hour for prayer? Yes or no? This is my life, this is our life. Who will get pleasure? Who will get benefited by watching and clicking, I like it, share it? But you have to share my videos. That's a different case. For that sake, don't stop sharing my video. That's a different, it's a community service. It's not my video. It's a community service I'm requesting. But other things, enjoy the life externally, but also enjoy the life externally, experience the joy internally. Prayer is the only one way to experience the joy internally. What I am doing is like a fictitious joy. I'm enjoying the world. Wow. And at most of the moments, I'm not experiencing the inner joy. So, when to pray? Summing up, when you're sad, pray. Go inside, analyze. The fault is yours. Outside is perfect. Trust me, if you blame the other person, you're not blaming the other person. Antar bahitya sarvam vyapya narayana stitaha. We all know the rituals, we all know the suktas. Sarvam khalvidam brahma. So you're only criticizing her by criticizing the other person. You're forgetting the fact. And that bad karma is again influencing you. So I cannot. Now many people have asked me questions on the QA session. Oh, that fellow is abusing me. What should I do? Now all the questions are answered with this. You have to go through that. So when you're sad, analyze, pray. When you're happy, thank. Think, thank. Think, thank. Think, thank. This is the pendulum you need to run. I told you once. Think. Analyze. Thank. For what? Your life is the best life. Trust me. You cannot demand more. This is the best life I can have. Enjoy the life. Vacate the place. So think and thank. Happiness. And also schedule your day. And in the morning time, at least couple of hours, half an hour at least, you pray. While eating, you pray. Pray means just think. Prayer is not like Hiranyavaranam Harinim, then you don't have time for eating. Just think. Like I said, think, thank, think, thank, think, thank. This is the prayer. Any moment you think, if you have a disease, think, thank God, I'm not in coma. I'm still enjoying this beautiful world. Thank you. If you break your leg, thank God, I didn't break my back. Thank you. Think, thank, think, thank. Do you want any more prayer than this? Any moment. Thank for the wonderful family you have. Some families will give you happiness. Some families will burn your karmas. The other one, first one is external happiness. The second one, horrible, the fire-like families, they'll burn your internal karmas. Anyways, you have to thank. Think, thank. So with that, and on festival days, don't forget, on festive days, we believe that all the positive energies called deities will be very active in the nature. And if you do one prayer, that will be repeated by all these deities around you. So one time you recite 1,000 times, they say roughly, it will equal. The effect of the prayer will be multiplied 1,000 times. So on a festival day, Shivaratri, Vaikunta Ekadasi, Deepavali, Sankranti, Ganesh Chaturthi, Navaratris, Shyamala Navaratris are going. Sri Ramanavami, 14th of November, 14th of April. Fortunately, we have so many gods and so many festivals. So much opportunity for so much sale going on in India. So every time you just pray and you get the benefit of the prayer. Right? Festival day. When you go to a temple, don't spend your time in, gossiping. Nothing should be discussed during the travel, back and forth or in the temple. Ideal pilgrimage is the moment you start. In the olden days, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all the Ramdas, Surda, they used to do the Tirtha Yatras like this. Prabhupada. Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Rama Rama. Only that Nam, beginning to end. That's one. Don't do anything else. So when you go to a temple, you recite your mantra given by your Guru. Nothing else. Because if you discuss anything, that tamasic energy will also be multiplied. So you get, actually by going to the temple, you get negative marks. Because that is an amplifier. Temple is the amplifier. Whatever you take, it will be amplified and give it to you. So if you go there and discuss mundane thing, same thing will be amplified by that energy and given to you. Oh, I'm going to temple every day, still I'm not getting peace. Why you are not getting peace? You're going there and discuss about a H1B visa or a green card status. So, temple. Whenever there is a yajna, fire ritual, don't forget to pray. That's the shortest time where you can get. Whenever you come across ocean, crossing the ocean, when your flight goes over the ocean, fortunately from USA to India, you have to cross only over the ocean. So try to pray as much as possible. Ocean front, hilltop, river front. These are the places where you can get multiplied effect of the prayer. So with that, we conclude that first satsang.